Hi guys, welcome back to Callaloo's kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Callaloo rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callaloo's kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CalliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callaloo's kitchen. So to my pot, I went in and I added a piece of butter and allow it to melt. And then I'm gonna go in and add my onion and also my scallion. If you have bell pepper, if you have scotch bonnet pepper or thyme that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. And then I'm gonna go in and add my callaloo. Once I add my callaloo, I will go in and add some seasoning and also a small amount of salt. All of these ingredients I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmer's market, and of course, you'll get callaloo as well as most of these seasoning there as well. So like I said, I went in and I added some of my salt and also some seasoning to this, combine all of that goodness together. And then I'm going to allow this to just cook down for roughly about 3 minutes before I add my coconut milk powder. Now, if you don't have the coconut milk powder, but you do have the authentic coconut milk, remember you can always go ahead and use it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go in and add my coconut milk powder, and once I add my coconut milk powder, I will also go in and add some water because you want to ensure that your coconut milk is nicely dissolved. And some persons might want to just dissolve the coconut milk before they add it. You can always go ahead and do whatever works for you. Like I said, just be creative and remember to always be you in the kitchen. So once I add the coconut milk powder, combine everything together nicely. I will not add all of the water at once, just a small amount. And then I will continue to just add until it is time to stop. And then I'm going to go in and add the rice. And I will be using white rice today. However, if you have brown rice, you can always go ahead and use brown rice. And remember to always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. And remember to combine everything together nicely. You don't want that callaloo to just settle on top. You want it to be all over your rice. And just a reminder, I turn my stove on medium heat. And I'm just going to allow this to cook nicely. And once most of the water is cooked out, I will go in and just add a piece of foil paper over it and just allow it to steam nicely because I don't want my rice to be too soft. I like when my rice is shelly and nice. You can always go ahead and have this callaloo rice with some fried chicken. You can have it with some curry baked chicken, whatever you have at home. All right, so now I'm gonna add the foil paper and of course turn my stove on low heat and allow this to steam nicely. And I will also add some water on top of the foil paper and then cover it. And this is it, guys, the final product of my amazing callaloo rice. I paired this up with some curry baked chicken, and look out for that recipe tomorrow. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We are on our way to 9K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.